One of many lead gen approaches that you can take. Whenever I say lead gen, I'm talking about literally just finding people that will potentially want your service. Now, I'm going to use myself as an example, but with you, because I want you to follow along with what I'm showing you, I want you to obviously reach out to the leaders of your niche. And if you haven't watched the updated niche video, make sure to watch that. So once you've figured out your niche, whether it's crypto, whether it's personal finance, men's self-improvement, personal development, personal finance, whatever, it doesn't matter. Once you figured out your niche, and this applies to Instagram, this also applies to Twitter, obviously, this is what you do. And once again, this is just one method to find leads, but you're going to come to their profile, and then from there, you're going to see who they're following. So just for the fun of it, I'm going to say that I'm looking for a fitness type of person.
Make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe.
So I'm going to go over and I'm looking at who this person is following. And the thought process behind that is more than likely, this doesn't mean 100% of the time, but more than likely, if somebody is somebody of respect and authority is following somebody, more than likely they're at least half genuine or have something to bring to the table. Like, I'll use myself as an example since we're using my account as an example. I follow people that either I respect, or if it's somebody that shows me consistent support, I follow them. So with you, you're going to be going through somebody, and once again, we are looking for a fitness type of person. So fitness mentor, I know this guy, 2,698. So he's not quite who I'm looking for. My thought process behind that is, well, I'm looking for somebody that's in the 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 range. So he's only at 2,000. So I'm not looking to work with somebody at that quote unquote level. Now let's keep scrolling down. So I'm literally just looking for people that have something about fitness or something in their profile. So keep scrolling. So do you see how quickly I'm doing this? Now, you can take your time. You don't need to be this fast, but I already pretty much know who I'm looking for. So this one, Jay. Know this guy, obviously, shout out Jay. Helping men become happier and healthier. Used to be chronically stressed and anxious. Great. Let's look over his profile. He's got 15,000 followers. Great. He's got a link tree. Let's take a look at that. Might cut off my recording, but let's see. Do Hard Things Conference. Text me and let's get connected. Cool. So checked out his link tree, and hopefully you saw that. Like I said, I don't know if this module cut it out. If it did, basically I just saw his different offers that he has. So he's got some pretty decent engagement. Scrolling down. Cool. So next, what you're going to do is you're going to reach out and DM him. Now, him and I have DM'd quite a few times, so I'm not going to open up the DMs, but you're going to reach out via DM, and you're going to use one of the many things I've told you as far as doing outreach. So I could reach out and compliment him. So if you haven't watched that module, make sure to watch it. But I could compliment him. Like, I see that he's doing some kind of like men's retreat or something like that. So I would reach out and compliment him, like, hey, brother, love your story about how you used to be like chronically stressed, and now I see you helping doing like men's retreats all around the world. I super respect that. Blah, 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 blah. And then I can ask him a question. Are you turning? And actually, this would be a great DM. So I'd reach out to him. Hey, man, I really vibe with your story about how you used to be chronically stressed out and how you overcame it. And I really respect that you're taking the time to run these men's retreats. Out of interest, are you turning these events into content for your newsletter for anybody that are sitting on the fence about whether they should come or they shouldn't? And then he's going to reply with something, and I'm going to set the stage. And to set the stage, watch the module where I talk about my 6-figure DM script. So go ahead and find that module, listen to it. But that's all you have to do, guys. And you can do this for any niche that you're interested in. You go to the people, you identify who the leaders are, you check out who they're following, and then now you can start reaching out. So I can go through all the people that I'm following, or in your case, whoever you're looking at, who they're following, and see who fits the criteria of what I am targeting. So if I'm a fitness person or if I'm looking for fitness people, happier and healthier. So you're looking for that keyword, healthier. Chronically stressed, that's another great one. Obviously, fitness, weight loss, strength building, physical transformation, different things like that in their bio, and you're just going to keep scrolling, boom, 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 boom. Also, you can take a look at their profile pic. Like his profile pic, he's obviously in pretty good shape. So you're going to find people that just stands out, and then you can check out their bio. So this thing is very, very to the point and quick. But if you have any other questions about this, let me know. Talk to you soon.
So if you would like to watch another video just like the one you finished watching, click right here. However, if you're interested in how you can make money online while traveling the world, click right here to watch my free masterclass.